Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to connect your Sony headphones to Bluetooth. First, make sure your headphones are fully charged to avoid any interruptions. For their very first use, many Sony headphones will automatically enter pairing mode once you take them out of their charging case. You'll typically hear a voice prompt saying Bluetooth pairing, or you'll see an indicator light flashing, usually in blue and red, signaling they are ready to connect. If you're connecting to a second device, or if your headphones were previously paired, the process is slightly different. First, ensure your headphones are powered off. Then, press and hold the power button for approximately 7 seconds. Keep holding until you hear the voice guidance announce Bluetooth pairing and see the indicator light begin to flash rapidly. This confirms your headphones are now discoverable for a new connection. Once your Sony headphones are in pairing mode, grab the device you wish to connect them to. Go into your device's settings and find the Bluetooth menu. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled, then initiate a scan for new devices. Your Sony headphones should appear in the list, often by their model name. Tap on your headphones to select them. You might hear a voice confirmation from your headphones, indicating a successful connection. Sometimes you might encounter a hiccup. If your headphones aren't connecting, first check that they aren't already paired to another nearby device. Try toggling Bluetooth off and on again on your device, or even restart both your headphones and the connecting device. For persistent issues, a full reset of your headphones can often help. Remember to keep your device within 10 meters, or about 30 feet, for the best and most stable Bluetooth connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.